Hey, what's up everybody, my name is Super Geek and today I'm going to talk about TPM, short for Trusted Platform Module. This is one of the main components which is needed for Windows 11 installation or upgrade. TPM is a hardware which is installed on your PC or laptop and is designed to store security keys. It also helps in encrypting and decrypting storage on your PC. These are named differently for two major CPU manufacturers. Intel calls it PTT and AMD calls it FTPM. So you basically need this small piece of hardware to install Windows 11 or even get an upgrade. Almost every latest laptop comes pre-installed with this hardware, no problem there, but some old laptops does not have this hardware. There's also no guarantee that every motherboard comes with TPM pre-installed, so you have to check for it and let me tell you how. So first we are going to check if your PC has TPM or not. Then I'm going to tell you how to install one if your PC does not have it. So there are two ways in Windows to check if your PC has TPM or not. So what I'm going to do is just press Windows plus R to open Run, then type tpm.msc and press enter. So you will see this window will pop up, and as you can see here, status in the status section that the TPM is ready for use. That means my laptop has TPM installed and it's working perfectly fine. Well, there is one more way to check this. What you can do is just open Start, search for Windows Security, open that and go to Device Security, then go to Security Processor, and as you can see here, the TPM specifications are here, the version is here, and everything is listed right here. So that means my laptop has TPM. Now if you don't see the TPM in this setting or even in the TPM MSC pop-up, then maybe there is a chance that your PC has TPM but it has been disabled from the BIOS. So now I'm going to show you how you can enable TPM from BIOS. Once you boot your PC into BIOS, you will see the TPM setting under the security section. Your BIOS may look a little different from what I'm showing you on the screen, but all you need to do is go to the security section and you will find the TPM setting there. You also may have to go to the advanced security options to find the TPM settings, and once you find the TPM setting, you can easily enable it from there. If you fail to see TPM on your PC even in the BIOS, then I'm sorry to say that your PC does not have TPM. Now what you can do in this situation, that you can buy these small TPM modules and install it directly on your motherboard to get it working. No problem there. But what's going on into the market is that since Microsoft announced that TPM is required to install Windows 11, scalpers have already started sweeping shelves, and now it is really hard to get your hands on one at a reasonable price. And if you own a laptop which does not have TPM, then I'm sorry my friend, there's nothing you can do. I'm sure that there will be some workaround about this in the future. So either you have to wait for that or you have to buy a new laptop. So that's it for now guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.